Hello, this is a battle against royboy100. Placed into Metagross as a painter. I spore him. He goes to sleep. I substitute. I get all nice and set up with my belly drum. Everything goes nice and smoothly. Right now, yeah. Take a nap. I explode. Yeah. Exploding's fun. This team doesn't explode as much as it went to anymore. I send out his elf. He sends out Dustoir. I switch out to Overmelt. It's kind of a good plan instead of using U-turn because he used payback. While he used Fire Blast, it missed, and he used Brick Break. Has some good amount of damage. I use Fire Blast, and he used Mean Look. I don't know why. I use Fire Blast again, and it kills him. Yeah, so well, he can out his what's his face? That thing, Salamence. I send out Asthma. He used Earthquake, I guess, and now he uses Dragon Claw, and I use Will-O-Wisp. Use Flamethrower, I think. No, I switch out. He continues with Dragon Claw. And I set up with Swords. No, what? I set up Swords Dance, though. Yeah. He Rain Dances, and I use Return. Ugh. He sends out his Weavile, and he's Rick Creek. Does about more than half HP, and I use Aqua Tail. Should use Return, but yeah. He sends out Download, uses Troy Attack, and I use Return, knock him out. Send out Beast again. I picked Explosion here, and he uses Dragon Claw to knock me out. So, yeah. And then I send out Azelf with Ice Punch to finish the game. Good game. Bye.